Tauri. Demand.
Billy Benz. Representing Champion Sound, selector.
Zvakanaka kumashure vanongona mukundiunganira kamukunditira mukusapresha
But today Matterhon.
saka mune makore mangani muchiridzi
Just a few years.
how much is a few years
Around 6, 7.
6 years makatanga nawo
You happen to know that he's a stupid guy.
ukanya video yemunhu menizokera kumashure
Club Third World.
club third world
Yeah.
iri kupi
Westlea.
indawo kuita ngokutaura chine chisaladi mukati
And those are two ways.
uri musaladi
No.
but kochirungu kachi chamunozongowanza
We are Rasta, we are one family. Anyway we did. Anyway, we say peace.
samuri vangani kuningi
Champions of year 2, Lenny Matterhon and me.
ko Lenny Matterhon akazonzi Matterhon utoziva Tony Matterhon
He talks too much like Tony Matterhon. That's his role model.
so he's Lenny Matterhon to kill
Yeah.
mentally ill to kill
Mentally ill.
anomboziziva kuti ndo zvinoita Tony Matterhon
Eh?
saka anogona kutoimba dirty wine iro
How do you get there?
anogona kuimba dirty wine
Yeah.
ngauye apedziseka interview yake
What's the interview all about it?
saka iwe unozvoti Lenny Matterhon inda
I mean, I'm Lenny Matterhon because I'm the Moonrakers. I'm a Batman from you understand?
Yeah?
I'm a Batman.
You are Batman here. Wakamboriwa munhu here.
No, not Batman. Not as in fighting, is it? Man, a Batman. I run it just like Lenny Matterhon. I mean, Tony Matterhon. I represent it.
Iwe ke.
Meetings, big things. Big things in Zimbabwe.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, Batman. Batman chako chiri pano.
Me Batman.
Eh.
I'm saying, when it comes to lyrical things, lyrical big job, that was so.
Uri musaladi.
Don't sound Silverstone #1 sound.
Saka makatanga rini Lenny Matterhon.
This thing, I've done it long way back.
Nditaurire gore racho.
When was it? 2003. I mean, me not lie like
Iwe wakatanga 2003 ngosiri kumushere 2003
I
yo.
wasn't in the rules, man.
Wagara kupi 2003 taura chokwadi.
They are back in Chekutu there.
Kumusha
Oh,
kakuchekutu.
I call Chekutu Musha. Why is it about?
Saka kuchekutu unofuka utaundere.
Why Minister?
Iwe keyo.
Nyado.
Matterhon ngori kumusha yo 2003.
I used to stay in Chekutu in town. That's what I used to play. What do you call
Chekutu hotel.
Yeah, I understand.
Kuda kunyeba Matterhon.
Started shows when I was there. It's a little boy.
Wakatanga une makore manga.
I don't even know. I understand. Just know that in 2003 we started meeting.
Saka wane 10 years uchiridza.
I think so.
Maada kuzvidana jahe nifu wakatanga wane 6 years ka.
They call themselves, they're 27 years in
20 years in business.
in the business, but he's 26 years old.
Yeah.
So what's that?
Chipomira izvo. Taura zvako Matterhon.
Well, what else do you need to know about Matterhon?
Saka munhu angatange kuridza ne 6 years.
That can't do. There's nothing like that.
Kana munhu ane 30 years chaiyo angaite 20 years.
Nothing like that.
Hakuna zvakadaro.
Nothing like that.
Saka tobita semunhu. Tamumamisa achauya kazoridza kwenyiko.
Yeah, I think it's coming this year around.
Ndoyazomumamisa. Ndokona kuti uyazomumamisa physically.
Yeah, come see him and
Ini kumuona inini. Pano iwe. Unourayisa munhu.
I understand that. So we have to hit the road, I'll link up later.
Kwaenda utaura zvinenge zvinechipatwa
You know me, man. I'm a Jamaican man.
You're Jamaican?
Yeah, I used to stay in Jamaica, long back.
Matterhon.
I'm not like, I'm a Jamaican man, but a Rasta man.
Saka munoridza kumatterhon.
I'm from Champion Sound. You know, a sound named Champion Sound. Me and Billy Benz are on the team. But right now, we are playing for Champion Sound and play for Red Fox Sound.
Oh, samune muchiridzira ku Red Fox.
The family house at Red Fox.
Okay.
Yep.
Muchitochambisa vanhu.
Heavy like that.
Muchinyepera vanhu.
Not like.
Like I said.
What's the latest? Nasi muso 27. What's the latest rhythm you have in 27 July?
You've started again.
But 27 July 2013, what's the latest
Right
rhythm?
Right now, I don't know. But if you link up with me later, I will tell you the latest thing.
Now, I'm going to red folks who know what is salad.
Why mean by salad?
And did the man not have a clash? And a clash at it now.
No, at Red Fox we don't clash, we splash. When you are about to come with the class team, we go downtown, we sit in Highfield. That's why we burn up the thing there.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, we don't
So
clash.
there's no clash at no Kanganisa.
No, it's not like it's a bad thing. At Red Fox, it's a hotel, it's a family house. We do some entertainment, not clashing and stuff like that. Level the thing there. So me a link up
Level the thing there, Jesus. In down here better than you.
Janosta.
I was Janosta, Jesus.
You see, man.